there's no more missing someone. And missing someone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well, hope you're all safe. So in today's video, as the title says, we're going to be doing a sleek braided ponytail on natural hair. My hair is already washed and pre-stretched to make everything easy, so I'm just going to brush out any knots and kinks that I may have missed to make pattern smooth and pain-free. So to start moisturizing, I'm going to section my hair into two parts. I've already applied a ton of organic shea butter to my hair to prevent it from completely drying out. This is my wild growth hair oil, and I don't know if you know, but this product really helps to promote healthy hair growth. And I'm going to be applying it throughout my hair and on my scalp too. The wild growth hair oil is a cocktail of natural hair loving oils such as rosehip oil, jojoba oil, pomegranate oil, pumpkin oil, frankincense and myrrh oil, and a lot more. My leave-in condition and repair cream is next, and I'm going to be using this product to make my hair super soft and easy to work with. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video so far. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload from me, and you can join the TB gang. We have a new video up each and every week. I'm not going to be using any water in my hair. You can if you want to, but personal preference, I just don't like it when styling my hair. So I'm just going to repeat what I did on the other side of my hair on the other side of my hair, and I'll be right back. Then I'll be taking my thread. This is actually called Brazilian wool. I love to use this to secure my hair, especially if I'm going to be keeping the natural hairstyle for a period of time. It's way better than an elastic band or a scrunchie, trust me. I'm going to be sectioning off my hair into two sections, a smaller section in the back and a bigger section on the top.
It's a brand new pass, my people, this a new dimension. Don't take all yourself, you better tune into the station. When the boss play and you got to pay all your attention. Tell everybody say you're better with the boss braid.
And then on the back section, I'm going to be applying my Eco Styler gel. You can use any other gel that you have and trust. It really doesn't matter.
Inspiration, no more
Making sure all the hairs in the back section are tamed down, I'm going to secure everything with my wool thread.
Tell everybody say your boo is back from vacation.
The trick is to trace down the center of your nose using the tip of your rat tail comb down the center of your hair to get one straight line, and then you go back in and then you perfect that line however best you can. Once you've got this part right, section one part of your hair so we can work on the other side. For the front section of my hair, I only use my Got2b freeze spray simply because it does not leave any ugly, flaky looking stuff on my hair like regular gel does. And it also has super strong hold. I'll be working in really small sections, and I'm going to use my blow dryer to make sure that everything is completely dried before I move on to the next section.
Tell everybody say your boo is back from her vacation. If you won't retire, make you come collect your pension. Cause I may come with fire, you know I don't need to mention. Anything I can do, they know they make me change formation. As I bring inspiration, no more sisters in the way.
For my baby hairs, I'll be using my edge brush and this little tube of Got2b gel. I'm not really the best when it comes to doing baby hairs, so I'm just going to speed through this process, and yeah.
If you won't retire, make you come collect your pension. Cause I they come with fire, you know I don't need to mention. Anything where them do, they know they make me change formation. As I bring inspiration, no more sisters in the way.
Now that we're done, I'm going to mold everything down using my hair scarf. Then we can move on to the braid.
It's a brand new boss, my people, this time new dimension. Don't they know
To get my ponytail super sleek, I'm going to be using my pre-stretched hair from Azara Braid. The length is 26 inches and I got it in the color 2. Although I got a pack of 4, I'm only going to be using 2 from this pack. Now that it's time to do the braid, I'm going to try my best to explain as best I can. So I hope you're ready. With the rubber band still on, take the braiding hair, tie one on your left and the other on your right. Take a small portion and section it off completely. We are going to handle this much later. Now share the remaining hair into 3 equal portions. Once you're done, share your natural hair or your real hair, the ponytail, share that also into 3 portions. Take your natural hair and the braiding hair on your left and also grab your natural hair and your braiding hair on the right and cross them over each other. Once you're done, take your braiding hair and your natural hair that was left off in the middle and cross that over on your left or on your right, and then repeat this crisscross motion until you have a beautiful braiding pattern. Remember to hold your hair and your braiding hair quite tightly until you're done braiding that, to make sure that it doesn't unravel or anything. When you start running out of hair, please do not hesitate to pick hair from the other sections of the hair to make sure everything is equal down all through the end of the braid. Just keep braiding, keep on braiding until you get to the end, and then you secure everything using a black or any color elastic band. Then snip off any excess hair that you have hanging around the braid, and then guess what, you're pretty much done with that part.
It's a brand new pass, my people, this a new dimension. Okay, tell yourself you better.
Now let's deal with the section that we left off. So you take that piece and then you spray it a little with your got-to-be spray. This is to prevent it from unraveling or any frizz. So you wrap that around the base of your ponytail. This is to hide the elastic band connection that we just did. Keep wrapping until you're completely done, and then you secure it with a bobby pin. Guys, just relax and enjoy your new braided natural hair ponytail hairstyle, cause we're done. Please tag me on Instagram at TERRIE.BERRIE if you do try this hairstyle, and I'll see you in my next video, as you know, next week. I love you guys. Bye.
By the way, the boss, Braid.
It's a brand new pass, my people, this a new dimension.